This is a complete 20 to 25 tons per hour hay pellet production line installed by Tony for a customer. The customer's raw material is bales of hay. The moisture content is about 20%. The customer ordered a TYJ760 pellet machines from Tony. The power of a single pellet machine is 160 kilowatts. Main processing includes crushing, pulverizing, pelletizing, crushing process. The buyer uses the Tony straw, rotary cutter P-3000 to grind bales of hay into 60 to 70 millimeters hay pieces. Hammer mill process through the high-efficiency hammer mill. The 60 to 70 millimeters hay pieces are crushed into 10 millimeters to 14 millimeters hay pieces. Pelletizing process through 8 Tony pellet machines. The hay pieces are physically squeezed into 6 to 8 millimeters rod-shaped pellets.